Santo, and I'll take you through how to sell coaching or training services online. Coaching and training services are skills one acquires through training and gaining expertise, for which you exchange that particular knowledge for money. Okay, we have a tutor or a teacher. He trains for teachers, then students pay for his or her service online. Now let's look at how to start coaching or training service online. First, you need electronic device, a laptop or a smartphone. This is to access internet connection. Two, you need a software. You need a software like Microsoft Word, WPS, or any other document software for preparation of training materials, more so for your students who will be taking through the areas that they have specialized. So training material is very key for preparation. Number three, we have online platform which you connect with students online and conduct training or coaching services now online through lessons and modules. So just look at those platforms to use. You have the Zoom Cloud Meeting or Skype. You can share the link with students who have paid for the service. Also, we have PayHip. It's good. It simplifies all your work, especially the payment. They are just perfectly done, and it's almost does everything for you. You can check it out. Number four, the aspect of marketing of these business students are key. You can link with their parents to aid children in classwork online. You can also do coaching for students online during the holidays. Also, if you are a trainer, you can do training for past people who are interested on your profession and need help at a reasonable fee. When it comes to pricing, just try to have a fair price to all your clients. So selling of coaching services is an easy way to earn part-time cash, hence you don't lose anything. It's indeed a good business, especially if you are a tutor or a teacher or a trainer. Now that's all we had for you in this video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share, not miss out on any video whenever we release. Also watch other videos to learn more about different businesses videos in this channel. Bye bye.